Hello, everyone. Um, Good morning. Just wanted to give you a little update of where I've been this week. Um, so my wife had kind of gotten a bad cold last week on Friday, but since a lot of the symptoms for the common cold are similar to symptoms for COVID, um, we went ahead and had her get a COVID test, and that's what her doctor said we should do. So we were waiting for results, and we got those on Monday, and it was negative. So um, she's doing great. It was just a bad cold. But then one of my kids kind of caught the same cold. And so for him to be able to go back to school and for me to be able to go back to school, he also had to get a negative COVID test. And so um, we are currently waiting for his test result. Even though we're all doing fine, it just was a bad cold, really runny nose, and a little fever for like 24 hours. So that's where I have been. I talked to Ms. V yesterday. It sounded like things went pretty well. Hopefully, Monday also went pretty well with the sub then. I think his name was Mr. Champ. Um, and you've been keeping up with the work since you've been having time to get that done. I know it's been kind of not real exciting textbook work, but we'll try and get away from that as we keep moving on here. So today, what I would like you to do is be working on the Cornell notes for measurement and scientific tools. Some of you may have started this yesterday. I know it is sort of a lengthy assignment, but it's going to go pretty quick since it goes right in order. And a big chunk of it, you're just copying charts out of the textbook. So that assignment is in the week 8 folder. So if you're looking in Schoology, obviously it's going to look a little bit different because this is the website and not the app, but that is in the week 8 folder down here. The assignment itself is the third one on the list, Cornell Notes, Measurement and Scientific Tools. It looks like this once you get into it. You'll need to do it in Notability unless you were able to get a paper copy yesterday. The headings, a lot of them are red to help you know where you should be looking, and it is going to go right in order. So we've got vocabulary to start with, and then there's 2 charts for you to fill out using some charts that are on the bottom of, I think it's page NOS 13, about different units and measurements, and then different prefixes and what numbers they stand for. Then there's also some more vocabulary, and then a section that I took out of an outline that goes over different scientific tools. So it's just fill in the blank about different tools that scientists use and that we'll be using as we go through the year. If you want to hold off and do the questions later, the review questions, you can do that. Once we've had a few days doing some more activities, that might be a little bit easier for you. But those are also attached to the worksheet. I would not really stress out about having this done until the end of the week. We will be doing other activities in class time. However, you could definitely finish this off in the evenings if you wanted to. Okay. So, reminder that I will have Google Meets open today from 10:30 to 11:30 and 12:30 to 2:30. If you have any questions, I've got other meetings around the other sides of those times for my 6th graders and with other teachers and stuff. But if you send me a Schoology message, I will be watching for those, and I can answer your questions through messages also. But please let me know if you need anything or if you're having any trouble with the textbook. Definitely, I can help you troubleshoot that so you can get your work done. Okay, have a great day.